Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you this Zenit 12XP that I have. This is the front, the top, the back, and the bottom. Alright, gonna show you the light meter. This light meter needs 3 volts. I'm not sure what battery it takes, but it works for this, so I'm just gonna put it into a test and show you that it works. Right. So yeah, I can see the light meter works. Alright. So this is the back. I mean the inside. Alright. I'm gonna test the speeds. So 500, 250, 125, 60, 30. Alright, so there you go. If you like this camera, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.